Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Triumph, and here we are in the warehouse as usual, taking a look around to see what items are back in stock for your classic Triumph motorcycles. So let's take a look and see what we managed to find. First up this week is part number 065776/1. That's the rear master cylinder barrel assembly. That's £100 and 74 pence, including VAT. Next up we've got the reservoir cap M cylinder. That's part number 065740, and that's £13 and 80 pence, including VAT. Next up, the clutch and brake levers in a pair, including the air lever. That is part number 060690/1, and that's £100 and 74 pence, including VAT. And if there's anything I've not mentioned this week but you'd like to know if it's available for your bike, you can check out the Andover Triumph website, which is linked in the section below, or you can just get in touch with us here at Andover Triumph as well, with our email address listed in the section below as well. Right, until next time, thanks ever so much for watching and safe riding.